idea what this music is.
Yeah!
Totally.
Yeah!
And,
Yeah! So
yeah.
copyright free!
Yeah!
I made this song!
I can't take that seriously.
Yo, what is up, everybody? Teamview here, back again in Oaklands, and today I bring you guys a video on. I did make a video about this a long time ago, but I feel like I should make a new one because that video just wasn't the best. I made that when it first came out, and nobody knew the acid place, so hopefully this one's a little bit better than that video. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys are ready for this. Let's get right into it. Here, just watch out for the acid pool, but we're gonna go over to this little where there's like a little climb on, and there's gonna be a little cave right down here, and then this will lead into the secret lab to the person. They're like unknown person E.
What up, Sonic Squad? Today we're doing some Sonic racing. Ready? Let me show you how it's done.
This edge, and then I want to put those. So you can keep doing the quest to get a bunch of them if you want, but just remember, it doesn't have any. So not yet. Anyways, see you all later.